magluluto ako ng lumpiang Shanghai. Lasang lumpia naman? Where are you right now?
We're at a pasta shop to buy food because we didn't have lunch together.
Make sure to sanitize. Yummy spaghetti carbonara. And Ian has macaroni with some tomato and basil.
Yeah.
And cheese.
Parmesan.
Parmesan. Ooh, yummy.
It's hot.
How's yours?
This one.
Good?
Good?
So we're currently going to M&S. We just finished lunch and Ian bought some art materials.
Get over here.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a haul.
Maybe. We're going to M&S now because
I'm gonna get my blouse or tights for school.
yes. Okay, go in. So we're in M&S now and we're just gonna do a quick trip to get Ian her school blouses, the long sleeves one.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll see kung makapag-vlog pa tayo dito. Going to that children's wear. I think this is the first floor. We'll see. Come on. So, yan. Hinahanap namin ngayon kung nasan yung school uniforms and I hope they still have it here. Sana may makita tayo, no, Ion? Because she's gonna start school in 2 days and she needs a long sleeve blouse, but every time I look for long sleeve blouses, it's always out of stock. Okay, I see shirts. It says, okay, you can see school uniform there. Let's check here. Guys, sobrang gulo. Nakita niyo ba?
Obviously, because I'm trying to try it out.
Okay. Here. Is this for
That's boys.
that boys? Okay, let's go here to the girls. Wow, sobrang gulo niyo ba yan? Didn't find any shirts here. We just found some knee-high socks. Hi guys! So, nakauwi na kami. We're back here at home and sorry kung yung vlog is parang putol-putol siya because hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maayos doon dahil ang daming tao sa mall and that's one of the reasons why I don't like going out nowadays kasi pag pumunta sa mall, ang dami-daming tao and there is no social distancing at all. Well, there are some people who are, you know, maintaining the social distance, but there are people who aren't and there are a lot of people not wearing masks. So it's very risky and the only reason why we went to the mall was because I needed to get a passport photo kasi magre-renew ako ng passport and then kinailangan kong bumili ng konti pang gamit para sa upcoming na pasukan because Ian is still missing a few shirts and like you saw in the clips, we tried pero nakita nyo ang gulo-gulo, parang nagra-rush na yung ibang mga parents and wala na kaming makitang size niya. So we're now at home and magluluto ako ng lumpiang Shanghai and I'm just gonna use the ingredients that we have available here. Pero I wanted to vlog na din para makita nyo kung paano ako gumawa ng lumpia dito. And don't judge ha, kasi kung ano yung ingredients lang na available namin dito, yun ang gagamitin ko. So, come on, samahan nyo ako and magchikahan na rin tayo. Okay, tayo po ay magluluto ng lumpiang Shanghai. And nandito tayo sa kusina, nakasarado ang pintuan para walang maingay. And sorry, nakikita niyo po ang kaguluhan dito kasi nag-ayos po ako ng freezer and wala na po akong mapaglagyan. So nilabas ko yung ibang items dyan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Pero gagawa natin ng paraan para hindi naman masayang kaysa itapon ko. But yes, so ito, magluluto po ako ng lumpia and very basic lang ang ingredients na meron po ako available dito. And I'm gonna show it to you now. So I have some pork mince, an onion, a carrot, coriander, and the spring roll wrapper. And of course, we have, meron po ako ditong eggs. There you go. Oh, 3 na lang pala yung egg ko. Oh my gosh, pwede na yan. And itong ating episode. Tawagin ba natin episode? Gusto nyo ba makakita ng mga cooking videos from me? If you want, then let me know down on the comments box. So I'm just gonna start and then ipakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko lutuin. So, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako expert sa pagluluto ng lumpiang Shanghai. Pero if you have your own recipe, please, sana i-share nyo sa akin. Baka gusto nyong i-share kung ano ang recipe nyo. Comment nyo lang below o kaya send me, diba? Send me a link or something. Okay, nauumpisa na ako maluha. Teka, naluluha ako. Nakakaluha. Teka nga, ba to? I know my trick para hindi maluha. Pero, lagi kong hindi ko siya sinusunod. Sabi nila, pwede mo ilagay yung onion sa loob ng fridge para mawala yung kung ano man yung sangkap niya na nakakaluha. Ano ba yan? So, yan, naiiyak pa rin ako. So, I'm currently chopping the carrots. Na-chop ko na yung onion. As you can see, that's one large onion. And I'm using a whole carrot. So, tinatadtad ko lang siya. And I'm trying my best na taddarin siya ng pinong-pino. And now, I'm chopping the garlic. I decided to add garlic. Hindi ko na napakita kanina sa ingredients, pero I'm adding it now. And ito, I am adding the carrots sa bowl. So, dito ko i-mix lahat ng ingredients. Yan, carrots, and then yung onion, and then yung garlic. And then, after this, i-add ko naman yung giniling na baboy. So, nakita nyo may mga natapon pa. So, ayan. And ang tagal mo, Hannah. Sige na, i-add mo na ang garlic. Ayan. And meron akong special participation ng aking pusa. So, ito na. I'm adding the minced pork. So, napasama yung kung ano mang yung papel na yon. So, that's parang 300 grams yan ng pork. And I'm using 2 packs. So, bale, 600 grams or so. Mga more or less kalahating kilo. Kasi marami-rami ang makakain dito for sure. So, ayan. Tinatanggal ko lang yung balot. Medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin. Pero hindi ko na siya kinakat. Kaya sinasama ko siya dito sa aking voiceover. Ayan. So, nilagay ko na dyan. Tanggalin natin yung papel na yan. And ating imimix all together. So, ito, kumuha ako ng wooden spoon and minimix ko lang itong mga ingredients para medyo ma-incorporate naman sila. Oh, yes, incorporate. So, yan, halo-haluin lang muna natin. Hindi ko pa ina-add yung ating ibang pangpalasa, pero gusto ko lang ipakita dito sa video na to kung paano ako maghalo-halo. So, yan, halo-haluin lang natin. Okay, so ang ginagawa ko ngayon, nakalimutan kong magtadtad ng coriander, which is yung ating kinchay. So, punasan muna natin yung ginamit kong kaninang chopping board. ganon, mas hygienic kung ating pupunasan ang ating pinagdagdaran. And ito, magsa-start na akong mag-chop ng ating coriander na isasama natin sa ating lumpia mixture. So, pinifigure out ko lang paano buksan. Okay, so nabuksan ko na siya and ang bango. So, kinakausap ko kayo habang nire-record ko yung video. Kukuha lang ako ng konti, hindi ko gagamitin lahat kasi sayang naman kung gagamitin ng lahat, naging parang vegetable lumpia ito. Pero ito, I'm going to start chopping this now and I'm gonna give you a bit of ASMR. Okay, so isasama ko na dito sa ating lumpia mixture yung chopped coriander. And then we can add the other ingredients after para maging mas malasa ang ating mixture. Okay, so hinahalo-halo ko na siya. And now I'm going to add an egg. Okay, so andyan na. Hahaluin ko na siya ngayon. Okay, and now I'm going to add some table salt. Yan. We don't really have rock salt, so table salt lang. Depende sa inyo kung gaano kadami. And hahalu-haluin ko lang siya ulit until ma-mix siya ng tama and mag-incorporate lahat ng ingredients. Okay, so maglalagay ako ngayon nitong aromatic all-purpose savory seasoning. So, para lang din siyang magic sarap. Ito lang yung alternative namin na meron dito. And I'm just mixing this and I'm adding black pepper. So, this is ground black pepper. So, yan. And I'm actually adding another egg. So, hindi kasya yung isang egg lang. So, I had to add another one para mas mag-bind pa yung ating mixture. Okay, wow! Ang tagal pala ha. Kalimutan ko na ganito katagal gumawa ng lumpia. So, eto na-mix ko na all the ingredients together. So, hindi ko alam kung pasok ba sa inyo to. Pero ito ang mga ingredients na ginamit ko kasi ito yung available sa amin. So, mag-start na ako, magbalot. So, I've got my lumpia wrapper here and we'll start. Teka, nagugulo yung aking pusa.
You want to go out? Lalabas ikaw?
So guys ha, please don't judge me. Hindi po ako cook, hindi rin ako chef. So, kung ano lang yung alam kong luto, kung ano lang yung alam kong timpla, yun lang yung ginagawa ko. Pero I'm very open sa inyong mga suggestions. So, magbabalot lang ako and magpiprito and we'll do the taste test. So, abangan nyo yan. Okay, so I'm ready na. Magpiprito na ako. As you can see, may mga nabalot na ako. Unti pa lang yan, pero habang nagpiprito ako, I will continue na magbalot. Pero gusto ko nang mag-try para malaman natin kung anong lasa and I'll let you guys know. Ipapa-taste test ko sa kanila, sa mga bata at kay CJ. So, ayan, mainit na yung mantika and ito na yung mga nabalot ko una. So, let's try it. Kasya pa ba isa? Siguro pwede ba isa? Okay. So, hintayin lang natin yung maluto. Mabilis lang ito, I'm sure. Ayan na, malapit na siya maluto. So, konting-konti na lang to. Golden brown na siya. And, isa-serve ko na. And, tingnan natin kung masarap ba ang pagkakagawa ko ng lumpiang Shanghai ngayon. Ayan na siya. Ginupit ko lang muna siya. Ginupit-gupit ko lang siya in bite-sized pieces. And, ipapa-try ko na sa kanila. Let's see. Lumpia, can someone please try it and tell me if it's good?
Okay.
It's still hot, huh?
Okay, I'll just leave it to
Ate, how about you?
Okay.
There's some sweet chili sauce.
Wait.
What does it taste?
Really good.
Yeah? How about you, Akiva? How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy? How about you, Daddy? Tikman mo nga.
Coast to Movie Thailand 2009. True brotherly love, real friendship, Duffy and Abby. We were unstoppable together, an unbreakable bond of two best friends that love and laugh together.
Lasang lumpia naman? Masarap? Pero masarap. So, syempre, ako din. Mainit pa siya. Tama lang siya. And lasang-lasa ko yung coriander, which is I like. Parang gusto ko yung medyo may unting minty. Oh, ang harap. Fresh na fresh lang yung lasa niya, which is what I like. And successful ang aking lumpiang Shanghai. Tagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nakaluto, ilang buwan. Hindi man taon, pero ilang buwan. But that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And I hope you enjoyed my first cooking video. And let me know kung ano sa tingin nyo, kung tama ba yung pagluto ko, kung hindi, give me some tips and kung ano pa ang pwede kong gamitin para sumarap ang aking lumpiang Shanghai. So guys, again, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel and you still have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button right now. I'd really, really appreciate that. That'll make me so, so happy. And if you haven't checked my previous video, which was our Filipino food haul, please go and check it out. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye!